Hi students, in this video we consider another problem. Just I read the question. In figure, PQ is a chord of length 16 centimeter of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. The tangents at P and Q intersect at a point T. Find length of TP. In figure, so here is a figure. In figure, PQ is a chord of length 16 centimeter of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. The tangent at P and Q intersect at a point T. Find length of TP. Just I explain. PQ is a chord that length 16 centimeter. And the radius, so in this figure the radius is the OP is 10 centimeter. Tangents from the points P and Q intersect the external point T. We want to find the length of the tangent. So here the two measures are given. One is a radius measure and the second is a chord length. So I just write here. OP is the radius, so OP is 10 centimeter and PQ is 16 centimeter. OP 10 centimeter, PQ 16 centimeter. So just consider the figure. In figure, PQ is a chord and OP is the radius. You just consider the chord PQ. PQ is the chord and O is the center of the circle. OM is another perpendicular from the center. OM is a perpendicular from the center. In class 9, we studied a theorem. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisect the chord. So, OM is the perpendicular from the center, so that perpendicular bisect the chord PQ. Bisect means two equal parts. So, this perpendicular OM divide PQ as two equal parts. So, just next I write that condition. Since perpendicular from center to the chord bisect the chord, therefore, PM is equal to QM is equal to half PQ. Bisect means equally divided and each part is equal to half of the total length. So PM and QM are the parts of PQ. So PM and QM measure are equal to half of PQ. PQ is given 16. So half into 16 is equal to 8 centimeter. So the measures of PM and QM become 8 centimeter. And also here one thing. P is the point of contact because P is the one point of the tangent. So P is the point of contact. We studied the theorem radius through the point of contact to make angle 90 degree. So here the angle OPT is 90 degree. In circus chapter, the first theorem is radius through the point of contact is perpendicular. So, OP is the radius. Therefore, at a point of contact P, the radius form the angle 90 degree. And also, OM is the perpendicular. The position of M become 90 degree. Position of M become 90 degree. So here in this figure we get three different 90 degree triangles. They are, one is the largest triangle OPT because angle P is 90. Therefore OPT is a 90 degree triangle and OMP 90 degree triangle, PMT 90 degree triangle. അപ്പം മൂന്നിലും നമുക്ക് 90 ഡിഗ്രി കയറി വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് ത്രീ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് വി കൺസിഡർ ആസ് 90 ഡിഗ്രി ട്രയാങ്കിൾ. അപ്പം നമ്മളിവിടെ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യുന്നത് പൈതഗോറസ് തിയറം കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്താണ് പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യുന്നത് നമ്മൾ. കാരണം നമുക്ക് ആകെ അറിയാവുന്നത് മെഷർ ഓഫ് ഒ പി ആൻഡ് മെഷർ ഓഫ് പി ക്യു. സോ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലൈൻ ഐ റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ഒ പി ടി ഇസ് ഇക്വൽ ടു 90 ഡിഗ്രി. OM perpendicular PQ implies angle PMO is equal to angle PMT is equal to 90 degree. ഇപ്പോൾ മിസ് പറഞ്ഞ കണ്ടീഷനുകളാണ്. P is 90 degree, M is 90 degree, therefore OPT 90 degree triangle, OMB 90 degree triangle, PMT 90 degree triangle. So we just consider the first triangle POM. In this triangle POM, M is the position of 90 degree. So the hypotenuse is side opposite to 90 is the hypotenuse. So the opposite of M is OP. OP become the hypotenuse. So that here I write PO square is equal to PM square plus OM square. Hypotenuse square equal base square plus altitude square. PO square is equal to PM square plus OM square. So PO, OP or PO is the radius, that is given 10 square 10. So 10 square is equal to PM. PM is half of PQ, that is 8 square plus OM square. So solving that OM square, from that we write OM square is equal to 10 square minus 8 square, that is like a property. So we easily do the calculation. 10 plus 8 into 10 minus 8, that is 18 into 2 is equal to 36. So we get the measure of OM is 6 centimeter. The next we consider the next 90 degree triangle. The next 90 degree triangle is triangle PMT. PMT, M position of M is 90, so the hypotenuse is the opposite of M, that is PT is the hypotenuse. So just next I write in triangle PMT, PT square is equal to PM square plus TM square. So in this condition only know the value PM, so I just replace the PM with the 8. PT square equal 8 square plus TM square. That mark as equation 1. Then next consider the complete triangle, that is the biggest triangle, triangle OPT. So next we consider the next 90 degree triangle in triangle OPT. So in triangle OPT, position of 90 is P, so the opposite side is OT, that is the hypotenuse. OT square is equal to PT square plus OP square. OT square is equal to PT square plus OP square. OT square equal PT square plus OP square. So here we consider a lot of change. OT, you just consider the figure. OT divided as two parts OM and TM. So we just replace OT as a sum of OM and TM. OT replace as a sum of OM and TM. OM plus TM whole square is equal to PT. So in equation 1 we write PT square as 8 square plus TM square. So just PT square replace as 8 square plus TM square plus OP. OP is the measure of radius. Firstly we write OP is the measure of radius, that is 10. So OP square replace as 10 square. So the left side open with the identity A plus B the whole square, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square, that is OM square plus 2 into OM into TM plus TM square equal 64 plus TM square plus 100. So both side TM square as lies, so we have to directly cancel TM square. Then next we replace some measure. We get the value of OM. From the figure we get a value of OM as 6. So replace OM with 6. 6 square plus 2 into 6 into TM is equal to 64 plus 100 is 164. That implies 36 plus 12 Tm is equal to 164 implies 12 Tm is equal to 164 minus 36, that is equal to 128, implies Tm is equal to 128 divided by 12. 128 divided by 12. 128 cancelling with the 2, 2, 6, 12, 2, 4, 8, 12 cancelling with the 2, 2, 6, 12. Again 64 cancelling with the 2, 2, 3, 6, 2, 2, 4, 6 cancelling with the 2, 3. So we get the measure of Tm is 32 by 3. But we want to find the length of Tp. So in equation 1 we write Pt square equal 8 square plus Tm square. So equation 1 implies Pt square is equal to 8 square plus Tm square. 8 square plus Tm square. That implies Pt square is equal to 8 square is 64 and Tm is 32 by 3 whole square. That is equal to 64 plus, you just find the square of 32. Square of 32 is 4, 12, 1024. That is 1024 divided by 9. Then solving the equation, 64 into 9, 9, 6, 36, remainder 3, 5, 7 plus 1024 divided by 9. That is Pt square is equal to 1024 plus 576, 1600. So 1600 divided by 9. That implies Pt is equal to square root of 1600 by 9. So 1600 square root is 40 and 9 square root is 3. So measure of Pt is 40 by 3 centimeter. That is length of Tp is equal to 40 by 3 centimeter. Thank you.